Hello everyone. In our series of places in news, today we are starting with this article which says China sends fighter jet towards Taiwan. So we will be looking at Taiwan's location and various other islands located in this area. So let's start one by one. If we talk about, this is your China, this is your Taiwan. The capital of Taiwan is Taipei, which is located in the northern part, and the water body which separates China from Taiwan is your Taiwan Strait. Now if we are looking about various locations, let's see the location of Hong Kong. It is located in this part. Okay. Then if we talk about the southern part of Taiwan, we have Luzon Strait. This Luzon Strait separates Philippines from Taiwan, and this is your Luzon Islands of Philippines. The capital of Philippines is located in this particular part, that is Manila. And if we talk about this side, we have on the western side we have South China Sea, which have some important islands like Parcel Islands and Spratly Islands, which is a disputed island between China and various countries. Now if we talk about the eastern side, we have Philippine Sea. Now what about the southwest corner? We have Sulu Sea, which separates Malaysia from Philippines. So this is your Celebes Sea, which separates Philippines from Sulawesi Islands. This is your Makassar Strait, which separates Malaysian island or Bruno Islands from Sulawesi Island. Okay, this is your Malaysia and this is your Brunei, and this is also your Malaysia, and the capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur. Then here we have Singapore, and here also we have a strait known as Singapore Strait. Then this is an important strait, that is Strait of Malacca, which separates Malaysia from Indonesia. If we talk about Indonesia, it is divided into various islands. This is your Sumatran Islands, this is your Java Islands, this is your Bali Islands, then Sumbawa Islands. So let's see, this is your Lombok Islands. So let's see important states located in this area. This is your Sunda Strait that separates Sumatran Islands with Java Islands. If we talk about these islands, this is Bali Island and Lombok Island, and in between them is Lombok Strait. Then here we have Sumba Island and Sumba Strait, which separates Flores and Sumba from each other. Let's talk about the important sea located in this area. Flores is just nearby. We have Suwa Sea, SAW, Suwa Sea, and here we have Tamur Sea. Here we have Banda Sea, Arafura Sea. Then we have like Celebes Sea, which we have talked about, Flores Sea right here, Java Sea, and the one separating Malaysia from Indonesia, we have Karimata Strait. So these are the important states which are located in this area. Let's see towards India now. Here we have, this is your Andaman Sea, which separates the Southeast Asia from India. And if we talk about, in this we have Coco Channel just above Andaman Islands, and here we have Great Channel, which separates Nicobar Islands from Sumatra. So there was one question from UPSC also, in which they have asked about which is the nearest to the Nicobar Islands. So we have to remember Sumatran Islands are nearest to the Andaman area. So this is all about your map work of this area. Let's revise this one more time. This is your Taiwan. Capital of Taiwan is Taipei. The state which separates China from Taiwan is Taiwan Strait. This is your Luzon Strait that separates Philippines from Taiwan, and Luzon is an island जहाँ पर you have capital of Philippines, Manila. Then we have South China Sea in the western side of these islands. We have Parcel Islands and Spratly Islands, disputed islands between China and various other countries. Then on this side we have Philippine Sea, and Tropic of Cancer passes through Taiwan as well as China. If we talk about these islands are Philippines Island, and we have Sulu Sea, which separates Philippines from Malaysia. Then we have Celebes Sea, which separates Philippines from Sulawesi Islands. Also Malaysia is separated from Sulawesi Islands through a strait known as Makassar Strait. Then we have this Tamur Sea, Banda Sea, Arafura Sea nearby area. Then this area we have Java Sea, and Karimata Strait that separates Malaysia from Indonesia. The strait which separates Malaysia from Indonesia is also known as Malacca Strait on this side. The capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur, and here we have Singapore, and just south of Singapore we have Singapore Strait. Then important strait from Indian point of view, Great Channel which separates your Indonesia and Nicobar Islands. Then we have Cocoa Channels in Andaman Islands part, north of Andaman Islands. If we talk about, this is your Gulf of Thailand, then this is Gulf of Tonkin, and also we have Lombok Strait between Lombok Islands and Bali Islands. We have Sunda Strait between Java and Sumatran Islands, and the capital of Indonesia is Jakarta. And if we talk about, we have Sumba Strait between Sumba and Flores, and the sea above Flores Islands is Flores Sea, and this is Suwa Sea. So these are the important water bodies, states and islands located in this area. I hope you are able to remember these. Just revise this video one more time. This is South Asia and it is very complicated. You should remember this video and just revise this one more time. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.